I wanted to take a few minutes and explain just one of the ways Resurrection strives to nail down the little details. Details many others often glaze over. Our subject vehicle today is a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner with the N96 air grabber hood. This car came in with a small punch list of tasks to perform. Applying a factory-looking paint to the hood bulge and scoop was one of them. In the 1960s and early 1970s, many muscle cars in the Mopar family of vehicles used a special paint on hoods and accent stripes called Organisol. No longer available, this lacquer-based paint was matte to satin in appearance and used a textured additive to add a unique effect. There is a company producing a replication of this paint, but it is only offered as a single-stage aerosol rattle can paint, and you will never get quality results using a product like that. So we set out to make our own factory-looking paint. We ended up stripping the hood bulge to bare fiberglass and started from ground zero. The existing paint had adhesion issues and the scoop itself needed a few minor repairs made. It's always best to start over fresh when the existing paintwork is questionable. Most of the paint came off by blowing compressed air over it, an obvious sign of improper adhesion. Note the mess on the floor. Playing around with different products, hardeners, reducers, and gun settings, we sprayed over a dozen different samples trying to hone in on the correct color, gloss level, and texture. I believe we provided our client with the closest replication to the original style paint, while giving him the added benefits of easy maintenance and longevity of finish. The original Organisol paint used on these cars had issues holding up to the sun's UV rays, and tended to stain and become difficult to clean. Our job will hold up excellent to the sun, and can be easily cleaned and protected with a quality detail spray, like CSI Q7 Detailer. This is a super cool, collectible car, so it was important to take the time and do this right. Many examples out there are done incorrectly. We enjoy these types of jobs that pose a little challenge. They are a nice break in between the large restoration projects. Enjoy these photos and share with someone who may find it interesting. Thanks for watching.